Sack. What was the upcoming game?
I bet all I drink give us now.
I go soup for me. Ijeoma customer.
Nice. Bad guy, just. Excuse me. Where's the problem? Where's the problem? Excuse me to my fingers.
Face your side. This are not get warm. I will say expect. Yeah, you don't carry. Snapchat. Don't say you fine, sir.
Papa.
Yes?
That's food.
After what you want buy?
My brother say I come collect bread and indomie.
Your brother again to come collect bread and indomie. He dey owe me and I never pay and you wan still collect on that one. I beg you, I no dey sell for credit. Tell your brother say the one wey dey owe me since. Make he give you the money come na season with them. I no dey sell for credit again. If you no bring am, make you no near this place. And if you no owe money, no near here. I beg. I no dey sell for credit again. Dey go. Tell your brother say make he give you the money. I no dey sell. Every time I go dey come dey buy credit so I no go pay. Na so like dey. I need money oh. If you no get money, no near this place.
Mommy J! Mommy J International!
Now wow.
Mommy J Worldwide!
This one wey dey hail me so I don't know wetin carry you come here. The one wey you dey owe me, you never pay. You send your small brother come and don pursue and go back. You carry am come make I see say you need me. Oh yeah, wetin you come find again?
Mommy J, see when I talk say wahala be like bicycle, wahala really be like bicycle. Shebi you know that work when I tell you say I go work day for yesterday. Up to they never pay me. But see, Mommy J, no be say I hear the carry the talk, no be say because I hear the carry the yarns.
You need time when they don't pay you as you don't talk so then you no go near you again. So now make me and say I no dey sell for credit again.
Mommy J, see, come. See, no be say I hear the carry the talk, no be say I hear the carry the yarn. Trust me this time. See, again work what I wan go do. See, if after that I finish that work then na 60k na they go pay me. And as I pay me that 60k, I go give you your money. I go even give you jara joy.
So you dey always dey talk now. You go give me my money, you go give me my jara.
Mommy J, just believe me this time. See, just calm down. You don't know me. No, you don't trust me.
I know you.
You don't know me.
I know you. I know you.
Mommy J, see, I beg. The only thing I don't need for you, you just give me one bread and one indomie. Because of this, my younger one. Hungry they beat them.
This one wey dey talk plenty, so I no wan just reason you. Now because of this boy wey keep face like wey say I no know, so now make I go just give you. But if I give, I dey beg you now. Once I give you, deliver. Pay me my money. So me and you go live in peace. So me and you go live in bread and indomie.
Yes.
Give me my money, oh.
You not get problem. You not get problem. You You go do your face, they squeeze your face. You go must let everybody know say you dey hungry. Somebody just get person we do your face like who